Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your low beam headlight on a 2013 to 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. Sooner or later, one of your headlights is going to burn out on you, and you don't want to be that person driving on the road with only one light working in your vehicle. The bulb you're going to be looking for is going to be an H11 bulb. Now you can get a standard bulb, which is going to be your cheapest bulb. I know Sylvania also offers some better bulbs, but as the bulb gets better, so does the price increase. So they do have a couple different options that I'll be showing you here on the screen, and the prices are also listed. So let me spin the camera on here and we're going to show you which headlight on the vehicle is your low beam and which is your high beam or your daytime running light. Alright, so this is the bulb you're going to be looking for right here in this round housing. That is your low beam. The one on the inside is your daytime running light, and also known as your high beam. So let's get the hood popped and start swapping out these bulbs. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my fillet tube for my windshield washer reservoir out. So I'm going to take a little Phillips screwdriver, come down in here, do a little turn till it pops up, grab the center, wiggle it around in a circle till it comes out. Put that up by the windshield. And we'll grab this and we'll twist it counterclockwise and clockwise until it comes up out of its hole. Put that up here on the windshield too. Alright, so for low beam, that's going to be this one right here, right by the front of the battery, so the outside one. So we grab onto it, rotate it counterclockwise, be pointing straight down, and it'll pull the whole thing out. Now, they don't give you much room to work in here. So you can see on these that they have a little lock that you have to push on the outer edge of the plug. So push on that, and then we'll just pull this off. Now see, I couldn't help but touch the bulb when I was swapping this, and that's going to be something else important that you're going to want to do, is you're going to want to wear gloves. If you end up touching the glass on here with your fingers, the oil from your fingers is going to get transferred to this bulb. Now if you don't clean the bulb off, that's going to end up being a hot spot on your bulb, and the life of your bulb is going to end up being a lot shorter. Now when you have your new bulb ready to go in, you see this little notch down at the very bottom of this on the inside. The matching notch for that on that green plug is also there. So you're going to take the bulb, push it into its connector, put it back into its hole. Now this one came out with the bulb connector facing downwards. You have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it to drop all the way into place. Once it drops into place, rotate it back clockwise until it stops, and that's it for this side. Now what I did on this is I have a little bit of silicone paste on here just to lubricate this, and I put a little bit down in the fillet tube reservoir, And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to twist it clockwise and counterclockwise to get it drop back down into its hole. I'll push the center back up on this. Push it back into place and lock it, and that's all there is to it. This side's done. So to access the one here on the passenger side, we have to take the air snorkel off. So I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, and there's a grommet holding it here and right here. Take and turn it, quarter turn until it pops up. Grab the center, pull it right out. Same thing on this one. It might be a little tighter on the other side, just wiggle it around in a circle. We'll pull this out, put that off to the side. This one's sitting off at an angle as well. So grab onto the housing, turn it counterclockwise. Now it's pointing at about 3 o'clock. We'll pull it out of the hole. Okay, see, now that I got this one out, the gasket for this one didn't come out with the bulb. So what I'm going to do, stick my finger in the housing, and I'll pull that out. I'm going to push on the little lock on this one, and then just pull the bulb out. Now see, like I said on this one too, I touched this bulb. Now, if you don't have gloves, you can get them at any auto parts store. They're relatively inexpensive. But if you're not going to go that far, the best thing I can suggest is that you get some alcohol wipes or some lens cleaning wipes that you use to clean your glasses with. Get any of that debris off that came off your fingers. You might think that nothing came off of your fingers, but there are oils on your fingers. You will leave a fingerprint on these. On these, if you do get the rubber to pop off here, there's this surface and this surface. See how it's more open on this end? I always put it around here. Now if you can't get it to go back down under this ring here, I'm going to take a little screwdriver, push around the back side, and then hold it down with my thumb. And then I'm just going to run it around this circle here. And that'll get everything seated again. Remember, when you put this on here, there's that center tab in there, and that's only going to go on that connector one way. And that one's done. Alright, now we can put the snorkel back in. I'm going to stick this side in first. Take our grommets, push the centers up till it pops up. It's in the hole. Push that one down. Pull this one up. And that's it. You got new headlights. So there you are. It's that simple. Anybody can do it. Don't be afraid to work on your car. Don't be that guy driving around with one headlight. That's it for today. Take care, everybody, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye now.